Let's talk about some stock-specific action right now. Bajaj Finance has reported its quarterly numbers. The stock slightly under pressure at this point in time, off 1.66% at 1260 odd rupees. But let's just give you the basic figures for first. Net profit has come in at 128.7 crore rupees. That's up 47%. When you look at the net interest income, that's come in at 391 crore rupees. Disbursements are up on a year-on-year basis, although the loan loss and provisions, that's up 20%. Let's get some clarity going from the management. Joining in right now from Pune is Mr. Rajiv Jain. Mr. Jain, thanks very much for speaking to NDTV Profit. Could you talk about the performance of the company in the different segments in the quarter that's gone by?
Yeah, so overall, good quarter for the company. Net income is up 47%. For first half, net income is up 50% to 267 crores. We crossed a milestone of 15,000 crores of assets in quarter two. Our assets under management were at 15,400 crores. The gross NPA was at 1.1%. Net NPA was at 0.2 as of quarter two. Across our businesses, the consumer business momentum is reasonably strong. SME businesses are stable. Intra-commercial businesses, we are degrowing given what's happening to the environment externally. So overall, a good quarter across all metrics. I just want to only address one point which you raised, that our net loan losses and provisions are up. They're actually flat. We have taken a one-time accelerated provisioning, which is a one-time impact of 14 crores. Adjusted for that, on a quarter-on-quarter basis, despite significant book growth, our loan loss and provisions would have actually been flat.
Right. Okay. Okay. So the one-time provision of 14 crore rupees, that's noted, sir. Quick word on the margin side.
Was steady through quarter two and through H1. We are starting to see overall cost of funds starting to go down, especially in our money market borrowings in the last 30 days. If we start to see impact of, if banks were also to start dropping their base rates, we would be able to pass through to our customers much faster. But at this point in time, margins are holding steady.
So your SME segments, it's seen good traction, but then when one looks at the disbursements in the commercial segments, that's actually continued to drop. Are you cautious on the segment, and is there an outlook that you'd like to share?
There are three businesses in that, which is construction equipment business, our infrastructure financing business, and auto component financing business. Given what's happening to the overall infrastructure segment, we've been in a cautious mode in both construction equipment and infrastructure. So there is significant drop in incremental acquisition in both these businesses. Auto component financing continues to be doing well and is steady. So I think we are taking a very, very cautious view on what's happening in the overall infra-commercial space at this point in time as a company. So you will continue to see us degrowing for the next 2 quarters as well, probably.
Okay, that's noted, sir, and we do wish you all the best for the coming quarters. That's Bajaj Finance for you. The other stock that we're focusing on at this point is eClerx, which is a Mumbai-based KPO. The company has reported its quarterly numbers, and I'm just going to run you through the basic numbers before we take some commentary from the management. We've seen not two very strong numbers. In fact, there have been a slight decline, but I'm going to get Mr. Mundra right now in at this point to take us through the rest of the details. We've got a profit figure which is down 49%. 25 crore rupees is the profit figure. Sales up 5.2% at 161 crore rupees. That's the quarter-on-quarter comparison number I'm giving you. Mr. P.G. Mundra is on the phone line with us from Mumbai. Mr. Mundra, good afternoon. So thanks for joining in. Can you take us through the